In this video, I am going to teach about what is Arduino and what are its features, how to code, and this video is for beginners. Here I have created a PowerPoint presentation to make it understand better. Let's start the presentation. Introducing Arduino to the beginners. Here is the Arduino picture. Hey makers and curious minds, you ever wanted to build your own gadget? Create smart devices or make electronics come alive, but felt by all the wires and code? Well, you're in the right place. Today we are taking the first exciting step into the world of physical computing. And it all starts with the little blue or green or red, the nothing but board right here, the Arduino Uno. Here is the Arduino Uno picture. By end of this video, you will know exactly what is an Arduino Uno is, what is its main parts do, and why is it perfect tool to kickstart your journey into the electronics and programming. Let's dive in. First off, what is Arduino? Think of Arduino as an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. It's designed to make it simple for anyone from artists and designers to hobbyists and students to create interactive objects and environments. It's essential that the brain of your electronic project. It can read inputs like light on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a tweet, and turn it into an output, activating a motor, turning on an LED, publishing something online, like web server. Among the many Arduino boards available, the Arduino Uno is the far popular and recommended for beginners. Why? Because it's the robust, easy to use, has a large of community, and there are tons of tutorials like this one specifically for you. In the previous picture, it is the Arduino Uno original, but you can also use Arduino Uno China model like Arduino Uno CH340G. It is also same like Arduino Uno original and it's way cheaper than the original Arduino Uno. If your budget is low, you can use the Arduino Uno China model. It works same as Arduino Uno, so you can use any one of the model. Here is the Arduino Uno China model. The Uno literally means one in Italian, signifying it is the first line of USB Arduino boards. It is powered by Atmega 328 microcontroller. That's the brain chip right in the middle. Here is the Arduino Uno, and the rectangular black is the brain chip of Arduino Uno. Let's take a closer look at the key parts of your Arduino Uno. Think of this as its eyes, ears, hands, and power source. USB port type B. The Arduino has a USB port type B right here. This is how you'll connect your Arduino to your computer. It does two crucial things. It provides power to the board and it allows you to upload your sketches, nothing but the programs into the Arduino Uno from your computer. The next one is power jack. Nothing but power supplying. Next to the USB, we have the DC power jack. If you want your Arduino to run without being connected to a computer, you can power it with the external power supply here, typically between 7 volt to 12 volt. I recommend you to use 9 volts as a power supply, so it is stable and very easy to run the programs or projects. Next, the microcontroller at Mega 328P. The black rectangular chip is the brain. The Atmega 328P microcontroller. This is where your program gets stored and executed. It's what makes all the decisions based on the code that you write, like running a motor, turning on off a LED, so on. The next is digital pins. Along the top and the bottom edges, you'll see the rows of pins. They are super important. On one side, we have digital pins 0 to 13. These pins can be used either as a input or outputs. As input, they can read signals whether like a button is pressed high or low. As outputs, they can turn things on or off or run or do not run motors like an LED on and off. Next is analog pins A0 to A5. On the other side, we have analog pins A0 to A5. While digital pins only can high or low, nothing but on or off, analog pins can a range of values, nothing but they can read the sensor's value continuously. This is a perfect that varying outputs like temperature sensors, light sensors, or potentiometers. Next is power pins. Look closely at the power section. Sorry. Look closely at the power section. You will find a pins like 5 volt and 3 volt, which provide regulated from your ground. Ground is the common reference point for all electrical connections, always important. And wind can be used to supply unregulated power if you are using an external power supply. Reset button. And finally, the little reset button. Pressing this will restart your program from the beginning, just like restarting your program. If there is any error when your project is running, just press the reset button. It will restart your program and it would run smoothly. What can you do with Arduino Uno? So, with all these parts, what can you actually do? The possibilities are truly endless, especially with the Uno as your foundation. You can make a simple light show, build a remote control car, create automatic plant watering system, build weather stations, or even control smart devices in your home. Its simplicity and versatility make it a perfect prototyping tool for almost any electronic idea you can dream up. Here are the few projects for beginners: LED blinking, simple robot, temperature sensor, home automation or security. Introduction to coding. Now you know that the hardware and about the what about the software? You will be writing your sketches, nothing but programs or code in the Arduino IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. It's a free software you can download from the official Arduino website. It's where you'll type your code, verify it, and upload it to your Arduino Uno. Don't worry, it's very beginner friendly. This is the software screenshot. In our next video, we'll actually connect Arduino Uno to a computer, install the necessary software, and write our very first program, the classic blink sketch, to make an LED flash or blink. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel If you are excited to learn more about Arduino and physical computing, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out our next tutorial. Got questions about the Uno? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you. So this is about the Arduino Uno. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos.